Hi guys, here's a quick video intro on how to set up the balloon garland. So it comes with two clips, the rings to attach the balloons onto, and then the tubes for the arch itself. So once your table is set up, you will just firstly just connect the tubes together. Before you put the rings over the tube, then you attach the balloons onto the rings. And once you've placed the balloons onto the ring, then you put them all over the tube. And once you've placed all the balloons onto the arch, then you connect it into the table. So place a clip on each side of the table. It's just got a screw mechanism that you can attach onto the corner of the table. Once those clamps are tightened to the side of the table, then you can set up the tubes and connect them onto the clamps on each side of the table. And there you have your balloon arch set up.